Here we go, at it again today. These are awning support bars. They've been giving me the shits a bit because when you got them up and the wind picks up a little bit, it keeps pushing the awning support back up into the bar, and you get a gap of sometimes half an inch, 3/4 of an inch here in the awning barrel where it goes into the barrel. So I want to try and stop that. So that's my stocky one there. It's just the normal awning thing. This one, I've just done this one. I'll lift the stocky screw on it so I can tighten it up reasonably good with that one. And I'll just put this one here in. It's just like a wing nut. And that seems to be working okay. Haven't had it up there to test it tonight, but I mean, it's really hard to pull out with that on it. So what I've done is just got these, I don't know what they're called, wood nuts or whatever they are from Bunnings, just a packet of them. With my grinder, I'll just cut them little sharp points off so it doesn't dig into the wood like it's supposed to in the wood. And then that, I drilled a hole in there 6.5 centimetres back, so I got enough for a couple black screws. I might get another black. This is what I just had laying around in the van while I'm mucking around here. But I might get another one of these later, so that'll definitely help it look better for a starter. But yeah, so I just cut them off, drilled a hole, put super glue around the outside of this, pulled it up in there tight with another bolt and a bigger washer. So, well, that's here somewhere what I've done, but yeah, just pulled it up tight, and then that holds in there secure, and it can't go out anywhere because it's got a little mini gap there, but it can't go through. And now I can tighten that up, so I don't expect this awning to be moved in the morning, but we'll have a look. So there we go. Only took like 10 minutes, drill a hole, grind them little dicks off of there, drill a hole in there a little bit tighter. So I drilled the hole smidgen smaller than the outside of this, so it pulled in tight, so this won't like fall out when I'm never going to lose it anyway. But I just drilled it tight, filed it round just so it really tight, super glued it in, and I guess we'll see how it goes, but it should be a lot better and stop a lot of the banging up this end too. This end of the caravan, these things, hey, is a shit design as well, because this on the top of the van, on a, you know, the breeze comes up a little bit, bang, 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 bang on that bracket. So it's because it moves down there on the awning barrel. Done that anyway. I've done it now. I'll see how it goes. I'll let you know, but yeah, quick little mod, and it's hopefully going to be a beauty.